Just another quick video. I am the Caveman, and this is Kaveman Creations. So I just got this 9-inch benchtop bandsaw. Instructions. Looks like some assembly is required. The table. Little tools to help put it together. Nice. Yeah. Let me get it out of the box and let's see what it looks like. Okay, I got it all set up here on the table. Got the doors open. Let's go over this a little bit first here. So you have your engage and disengage. This would be disengaged. This would be engaged. Your tensioner to tighten the blade up. You have your tracking, which keeps it aligned so the blade travels correctly. And you have your guide lock and your guide adjust. Now to mount the table, you have this crack right here, which would go into your blade like that. And then you have your adjusting gear, so it has to go in a kind of at an angle, and then you'll have your two aligning screws like that that go in. Then you're going to have your table lock, which screws into here. Just like that. Then you want to lock it in by putting this piece back in there, taking the little wing nut and screwing that in. And when I have that done, I'll be right back because I got to put the phone down. All right, now that that's in, you're going to loosen up your guide lock. Then you can adjust this up and down. And you want to go and put it so it's just above the piece of wood that you're going to be cutting. Which, let me grab a piece here. And put that in like that. You just crank it down just so it's just above it. That way it keeps the blade from going back and forth. Keeps it more aligned. Then you'll want to be sure to tighten it up after. Just like that. And then you have your miter gauge, which goes into here. It slides back and forth. This is made out of plastic. Not really a big deal. You know, as long as it works. It doesn't seem to be loose, so that's good. So let's turn it on and cut a piece of wood and see how it goes. Let's turn it on and see what happens. It's not too loud. Just like that. That's a nice, smooth, clean cut. Gotta love a fresh blade. So there you go. It's a Central Machinery 9-inch benchtop bandsaw. Well, I'll go and use it a bit and give you a review on how I like it later on. Till the next one.